Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the B3 Remixed version of the boyfriend from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the sunglasses. Let's start with the curve on the top left here. Then on the left, let's draw a line down, and the same on the right. And now let's add a curved line at the bottom. Now let's draw the right side of the sunglasses. At the top, let's draw a line over and curve it up at the end. Then angled lines down on both sides. And then again, let's connect them at the bottom with the curve. Next below, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start under the left side of the sunglasses. Let's draw a curve out for the cheek and then back over to the right, stopping here. Now let's add the mouth inside. Let's start under the right side of the sunglasses and let's draw a line over. Then underneath, let's draw a curve over to the left. And then close off the bottom with a bent line like this. And lastly, for the mouth, inside at the top right, let's draw a line here. Next, let's add his hair. On top of the right side of the sunglasses, let's draw a curve up. Then bring it down at the end. Now curve it up to the left and back down. Now bring it in towards the sunglasses and then one more point to close it off. Now let's hop down on the right and draw the bottom part of the hair. From the sunglasses, let's draw an angle down. And then two pointed V shapes to close it off. Next, let's draw the eyebrows by drawing a large V shape behind the sunglasses. Let's start above on the left, and we're going to draw a curve down, then a V in between the sunglasses, and then up on the right, curving it down at the end. Now let's thicken the eyebrows up slightly. Next, let's draw the hat on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line up and curve it over. Now let's continue the line at the top over to the right. And then we're going to angle it down like this. And now from the bottom, let's curve it back into the hair. Now inside the hat, let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down and then angle it towards the sunglasses. And now inside at the bottom, let's add two diagonal lines for stitches. Next, on the right side, let's add the ear. Let's start with a line up and out, curve it down, and then back in. And then the same shape inside. Next, let's add the earrings. Let's start with a small black circle at the bottom. And then above it, a curve like this. Now let's finish off the hat by adding the brim on the right. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body now. Let's start by drawing the necklace with 2 curves under the head. Next, before continuing the body, let's move over and draw the right hand holding the microphone. Underneath the right side of the head and the ear, let's draw 2 bumps for the thumb like this. Then underneath the left side, let's draw a pointed V, and then the finger below it like this. Now let's draw another finger to the left. And then let's add a curved rectangle underneath for the ring. Now hop to the right and let's draw the other finger with the line up, over, and then angle it down like this. And then a curve underneath. And now let's close out the bottom of the hand with a bumpy line like this. Next, let's add the microphone. On the right side, let's draw a curved rectangle like this. And then add a curve inside. Next, let's add the microphone head at the end with a circular curve. And then add the detailed curved lines inside. And that's it for the hand. Let's move in and draw the rest of the body now. Let's draw the right arm by drawing an angled line from the face to the hand. And then a curve down for the t-shirt sleeve. And now another angle below here for the bottom side of the arm. Next, let's hop over to the left. Underneath the necklace, let's draw a curve down for the side of the shirt. Then let's angle it down, and then over towards the hand, stopping here. And then add a small V-shaped bump in the gap. Now let's move back over to the left and draw the other arm. Let's draw a bent line for the top of the sleeve here, and then an angle down. Next, let's add the logo on the shirt. Let's start with a large curve over, and then another bump below it. And then close off the left side with 3 bumps. And now inside on the right, let's draw 2 sideways triangles. And that's it for this shirt. Next, let's move down and draw the right shoe. Underneath the right hand, let's draw a curve down and back in like this. And then a bent line down on the left. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve like this that's slightly longer. Now on the right, let's add an angled line here. Now let's move over on the left and let's draw a small line down. And now let's add the top of the shoe with a curved rectangle shape like this. Next on the left, let's draw a V shape out and back in. Then a line down, and then curve it over underneath the right side. Now let's add the sole of the shoe underneath like this. And lastly, for the shoe on the top left, let's draw a rectangle shape out and back in, and then down. And then inside, let's add a black rectangle at the bottom here. And that's it for the right shoe. Let's draw the left one now. Underneath the shirt, in the center, let's draw an angled line down like this. Then hop below it and let's draw a line out and curve it down. Next, let's add the tongue of the shoe like this on the left. Now above it, a V shape up and down for the pants, and then one small angle up to the shirt. Next, under the tongue, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. Then a curve over to the left for the top of the shoe. Angle it down. And then curve it back in and up. Now underneath, let's draw a small angle down. Curve it over to the right, bring it up, over, and back up like this. Now let's follow that same curve to add the sole of the shoe underneath. And lastly, let's add the detail inside the shoe. Let's start with 2 diagonal stripes, like this. And lastly, a black circle in the top right. And that's it for the B3 Remixed boyfriend. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!